Okay, so hi everybody, how's it going?
Hello.
Good. Hi, I'm Michelle. So I'm the program manager for the Office of First Year Programs through the College of Natural Science. So we run kind of all the recruiting stuff, anything first year. So from recruiting to like kind of open welcome week, we do a big block party, and then we go on and do like events during their first year, and we handle like warning students or students that don't do as well as they'd hoped in the spring. The reason why we're starting here is number one, my office is located here, and I just found out you guys came from education, so that was probably a quick jaunt in the rain, so that's good. We are in Fleming Hall. This is where academic advising is housed, and that's something we really want to stress to incoming students. Is anybody here an NSM major? A few of you? Nobody over here? We're all like huddled over here. Okay, good. So this is where the advisors are housed. Right now we have 3 biology and biochemistry advisors, and then there's 2 computer science and math advisors, and there's 2 basically everything else. So chemistry, physics, earth and atmospheric science, environmental studies. I'm probably forgetting more, but all of the earth and atmospheric sciences are there too. So plenty of opportunities for students to meet with their advisor, make sure they're on track for graduation. I'm sure that is something that all incoming prospective students want to picture themselves doing, is graduating, getting their degree from the institution. They're there to help them. The other thing that's housed in this building is the Department of Chemistry. So the Department of Chemistry's like faculty are over here. A lot of their classes are here. If you've taken a chemistry class, you probably walk down these halls or maybe upstairs. And then obviously it's kind of a cut through. So you guys just came from, is that Barish Hall, right?
Yes.
For education. Down this way, and I'm not going to walk you over there just because of the weather, but if you kind of walk down, there's a building over there, we call it STL. It's the science labs. Yeah. Yes, thank you very much. Science and teaching labs. So the biology main office is located there, but also all the labs for those facilities. So what we're gonna do is kind of know that that's over there, but we're gonna head towards like the beefier, more parts of campus where our students would hang out. So if you guys want to follow me. Right now we're located in the Science and Research 1 building. This is where a lot of math and science classes happen. Right above us is Dean Wells. He's the dean for the College of Natural Sciences and Mathematics. His office is there. We've got like basically a lot of major players for the college have offices there. Geology and physics also have offices further upstairs, which is great. So it's a pretty common building for our students to hang out in. Right above us there's a big kind of open area with tables. There's usually always students who are standing up there because it's really close in proximity to their classes. Right outside is the rotunda area, that's kind of what we call it. That is where we house our block party. So right before, the day before classes start that Sunday, we invite everybody out to, usually it's kind of some sort of grill out. Last year it's like a carnival theme, so we have like corn dogs and nachos and ice cream and all that fun stuff for our students to kind of get a feel for, you know, what it's like coming in and welcoming them in, getting to know some new people. There's the SEC building. That's where a lot of classes are as well. There's a big lecture hall. It seats like 550. So there's a lot of big lectures in there, biology, chemistry, math, things like that. And then the SERC, which is the Science and Engineering Research Center. It's just kind of catty corner from here. That's where they do a lot of research. Obviously, they have different professors have their labs up there. You can kind of like peek in when you're walking by at night and see everybody's like desks around the sides and their research space. So that's kind of cool. This is basically kind of the area that our students hang out in. It kind of starts at Fleming and maybe STL and then bleeds over here. There's a second building for science and research. It's called Science and Research 2, because it's, you know, what we do, 1 and 2. A lot of biology and other professors have their offices over there, some research labs and stuff too. So yeah, I mean, that's basically some of the big talking points mostly for what a student who's coming into the College of Natural Sciences would want to know or would need to know.